Hello everybody, I'm at the Simagad Fort right now. Yeah, it's a steep climb as you can see. It's great fun. The view from here is absolutely beautiful. We'll try and bring it to all of you. The valley looks beautiful. It's a nice, cool day, perfect for climbing. Great fun. I'm here with a couple of my friends and neighbors. Here with Upendra and Ashwini. Upendra, bug. Ashwini. Hi. Yes. We're just entering this third gate. Beautiful. This is an old fort. Chhatrapati Shri Shivaji Maharaj's fort, and a small comforting resting place for all of us as we get breathless. And you can see absolutely beautiful. You can see these steps from olden times. They would get their horses right up till here. The brave warriors. You can see people relaxing, enjoying a day out, picnic, having a break in between, enjoying kulfi. You can see, yes, that's Ashwini here, that's Harshada, that's Sejal, and that's Abha, and that's Upendra, all enjoying kulfi. Wow, a break time. You can see people having a break, lying down here. There are small startups here. Yes, and a lot of people sitting down with families, having food. Hi. And you can see a lot of places here where you can, fresh food is cooked for you, and you can enjoy it with your family. And we are going to one right now, just under this tree. They will spread the mats for us, and we'll sit down and enjoy our lunch here. So I'll try and take a picture of our lunch. See you in a while. But okay, Khamkar Maushi. If you can see, she's going to make us fresh pakodas or bhajis, fritters. Yes, and she's cutting the onion right now for us, so that she will make those fresh pakodas. And this is bhakri, which we will have. Okay, so that's a jawar bread, flat bread, that we will enjoy. Okay, I'm lying down on this beautiful mat with my friends, and can see this beautiful sky above me. What a way to live. Wow. See, our lunch is here and we are all going to enjoy that. This is the bhakri, the pitla, some onions here, and you have a little bit of pickle, kind of a chutney kind of a thing. So bon appetit. This is one of the specialities here of the lunch that we have. This is curds, yogurt here. Yeah, because after this beautiful meal, we all are looking forward to enjoying this. This is the place where Bal Gangadhar Tilak lived, here on Simagad. And you can see two cannons here, one on each side. And there is some pamphlets here about the diploma in mountaineering and allied sports. Yeah, this is, yeah. Now we are entering this beautiful panoramic view point here where you can see the valley, and this is where we have come from. There's a big cannon out here right on the edge. The beautiful panoramic view of the valley.
जायचं का तुला हर्षदा?
तिला धरून तिला सेजलला धरा, हात धरा लागेल सेजलला. सेजल हा सावकाश बसून जा. हा बसून.
आई पण आता कुठे ते सगळं शिवाजी महाराजांचं तोडमोड केली त्याची?
नाहीच आहे ना, एक ते सगळं ते
कुठे ठेवून दिलेत ते?
ब्रिटिश लोकांनी एक ते सगळं पळवून दिलं जे होतं ते.
आता का?
This is one of those natural caves, many of them in this, and you can see this huge rock.
ते आपोआप तयार झाले कसं?
This is the Fort Simagad. We are at the Khadakwasla Dam. This provides the drinking water for the entire Pune city, and you can see two beautiful horses here for horse riding. Yeah, and a lot of people here, and you see this beautiful dam. This is the Khadakwasla Dam. We are close to the sunset now, so we are here to enjoy ourselves.